Hey, how's it going? So, in my last video, I did a review of my old keyboard, the Insignia wireless keyboard that I've been using for the last 3 years or so. And as promised, this video I'm going to review the new upgraded keyboard, the Matias wireless aluminum keyboard with backlight, which costs much more than my $25 keyboard. So let's get into the unboxing. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. You can see here I went with the space gray. I don't know why, something about the space gray just appeals to me. Let's get into some of the features for this, okay? So, first of all, price. It is very expensive with backlight, long battery, wireless. As you can see, it is aluminum here, okay? You got these chiclet style keys. It feels nice to type on. There's a nice finish on the keys and it's got enough travel to it. It says 2 millimeters of travel on the website. It still feels like you're getting a decent press out of each stroke. Let's talk about the backlight. The backlight is adjustable. You just hold this button here and you can push the plus and the minus button to take care of the backlight. You can also hold the backlight key to use the number keys to skip in 10% increments to the percentage that you wish to have the backlight at. Now, speaking of backlight, this is gonna drain a battery, but Matias has included a second battery dedicated to the backlight. Now, they're claiming that if you have this backlight on at 100%, you will only get 7 hours between the time you have to charge it up. Because it is a second dedicated battery specifically for the backlight, once that battery dies, you're not gonna lose connection to your keypad. You're still gonna be able to type. So if you're in the daylight or you have a lamp or whatever, it's not a big issue. That is a nice touch, not having to worry about your backlight draining your main battery. Let's talk about the main battery. They say you can go a year without needing to recharge. Obviously, it depends on how much typing you do. But they're saying for the average user, it will last a year. The battery size is 1600 milliamp hours. That is about 5 to 12 times bigger than any other wireless keyboard out there. Here is the charging port right there, okay? That is where you plug it into charge. Another reason why I got this keyboard is because it is platform agnostic. It is compatible with Windows, PC, Mac, Android, Apple, what have you. This is a Mac-friendly keyboard. They have the command key. The 4 pairing keys above the numeric keypad let you pair the keyboard with up to 4 Bluetooth devices and easily switch between them. Compared to a Mac, simply hold down one of the pairing keys until it starts flashing blue. Once paired, simply press that pairing key to switch the connection to that device. When successfully connected, it will briefly flash blue. I'm not going to take you through how to pair up every different device that you own, but you can go through that, go on the website, their instructions will tell you how to do that, no problem. And if you do end up picking one of these up, it comes with a little instruction pamphlet that shows you how to pair up all the devices as well. Like I said, Windows, Android, PC, Mac, Apple, whatever you got, it's going to work on this keyboard. So that's about it for the review of this Matias wireless aluminum backlit Bluetooth keyboard. If you guys have any questions or want to know anything else about it, fire them into the comments, please. If you like the video, hit that like button. That would help me out a lot. And if you want to see my upcoming videos in the coming weeks, I'm going to do a review on a mechanical keyboard which has a lot more travel in the keys and it's just more classic type feeling, better for typing for long periods of time. So I'm excited to do that review, and if you want to see when that comes out, subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notifications and you won't miss that video.